Hello to everyone. I am Babar Khan. You are watching my YouTube channel. I am discussing with you the important terms and concepts of accounting. In my previous video, I have explained with you the 6 important terms and concepts of accounting. So, today video we will discuss the remaining important terms and concepts of accounting. Before start the video, I request to you, if you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like and share my video on your social media, so all my new video notification you will receive on time. Let we start the video. Today I am discussing with you 7 important terms and concept of accounting is purchases return or return outward. Look at the definition. Goods purchased and returned to seller due to defective, not according to purchase order, damage or below standard. Suppose you have purchased some goods and you find the goods are maybe defective, not according to purchase order, may be damaged, may be below standard. So what you will do? You will return these goods to seller because these goods are not according to your purchase order, may be defective, may be damaged or may be below standard. So these returns we will call purchase return or return outward. Look at the example. Here is the Mr. Ali, here is the Mr. Usman. Mr. Usman purchased goods rupees 5,000 from Mr. Ali and he find rupees 1,000 goods may be defective, not according to purchase order, may be damaged or below standard. So in short, Mr. Usman 1,000 goods returned to Mr. Ali. We call this is purchases return or return outward. Hopefully you have understand this important terms. Okay, let we discuss the number 8 important terms and concept of accounting is purchase discount. Any concession given by seller to buyer is called purchases discount. Suppose you have purchased rupees 1,000 goods from someone and he maybe give you some concession, maybe rupees 100. So we call this is purchases discount. Hopefully you have understand this concept. Okay, number 9 important terms and concept of accounting is allowances. You must be careful to understand this concept. Look at the definition. Sometime buyer find minor defect in goods and seller induce to buyer to keep goods and seller reduce some price of goods is called allowances. Okay, I will give you explanation. Suppose you have purchased some goods, you find some minor defects in goods and you ask the seller, I will return these goods, but seller induced to you not return the goods and ask to you, kindly keep my goods, I will reduce some price. So this is called allowances. Again I have defined the definition. Sometime buyer find minor defect in goods and seller induce to buyer to keep goods and seller reduce some price of goods is called allowances. Hopefully you have understand. Okay, number 10 important terms of accounting is sale. When goods sold to customer at a specific price is called sale. Look at the example. Here is the Mr. Ali, here is the Mr. Usman. Mr. Ali sell goods to Mr. Usman rupees 5,000. It means we call this is the sale of Mr. Ali. Again, look at the definition. When goods sold to customer, it means Mr. Ali sold good to his customer Mr. Usman at a specific price. Specific price is rupees 5,000. It means this is called sale. Understand? Okay. Number 11 important term is cash sale. When goods sold to customer and payment received at the same time is called cash sale. It means when you sold goods to your customer and received cash at the same time, it means you have done the cash sale. Again, look the definition. When goods sold to customer and payment received at same time, it means when you sell goods and receive cash at same time, it means this is called cash sale. Okay, look at the example. Mr. Usman sold good rupees 5,000 to Mr. Shakil and payment is received at same time. It means Mr. Usman sold goods rupees 5,000 to Mr. Shakil and he received payment at same time. We call this is cash sale. Hopefully you have understand. Okay. Number 12 important term and concept of accounting is credit sale. When goods sold and payment is not received at the same time is called credit sale. It means when you sold goods but you will not receive payment at the same time, it means you have made the credit sale. I will explain with example. Mr. Usman sold good rupees 5,000 to Mr. Shakil on 1st January 2023 and payment will be received at 1st February 2023. It means Mr. Usman sold good rupees 5,000 to Mr. Shakil on 1st January 2023 but payment will be received after 1 month. It means Mr. Usman have sold goods to Mr. Shakil on credit basis, not at cash basis. Understand this concept, credit sale? Simply when you sold goods but you not receive the payment of sold goods at the same time, it means you have made the credit sale. Hopefully you have understand the number 12 point. Okay, let we discuss the number 13 important terms and concept of accounting is sale return or return inward. Look at the definition. It means when customer return goods due to defect, below standard, damage or etc. Suppose you have sold goods to someone and your customer find the goods may be defective, may be below standard, may be damaged and he return goods to you. We will call this is the sale return or return inward. Hopefully understand. Look at the example. Mr. A, Mr. B. Suppose Mr. A sold good rupees 10,000 to Mr. B but Mr. B find rupees 2,000 goods may be defective, may be below standard, may be damaged. In short, Mr. B rupees 2,000 goods returned to Mr. A. We call this is the sale return or return inward. Understand this concept? Okay, number 14. This is a very important terms and concept of accounting. You must be understand this. Trade discount. It is a concession on list price given by wholesaler to retailer is called trade discount. I will explain with example. Suppose this is the wholesaler, this is the retailer, and this is the customer. Retailer means shopkeeper, okay? And retailer, where retailer purchase goods from wholesaler, and what the retailer will be do when he purchase goods from wholesaler, he will sell to customer. Understand? Suppose we will take the example of one bottle of Pepsi. Pepsi one bottle list price is rupees 160. What is the list price of one bottle of Pepsi is 160. Wholesaler, he has the cost of this one bottle is rupees 100, but he sold this one bottle to retailer rupees 140. The difference between 100 and 140 is 40. This is the wholesaler profit. You have understand this? And retailer, he received goods from wholesaler at a price of rupees 140, but he will sold to customer at a list price. List price is 160. Okay, he sold to customer rupees 160. The difference between 140 and 60 is 20. This is the retailer profit. Okay, it means the difference between 140 and 160 is rupees 20. This is called trade discount. Again, I will explain the definition. It is a concession on list price. List price is rupees 160. On list price given by wholesaler, it means wholesaler give the concession, this one 140, to retailer is called trade discount. It means list price is 160, but wholesaler give to retailer rupees 140. The difference between 140 and 160 is rupees 20. This is called trade discount. Hopefully you have understand this concept. Okay, number 14 you have clear. Okay, number 15. Number 15 important term and concept of accounting is sale discount. Look at the definition. Any concession given by seller to buyer at the time of sale is called sale discount. It means when you sold goods to customer and you maybe give some concession to your customer on list price of goods, this is called sale discount. Hopefully you have understand this concept, because this is the similar point before we have discussed the purchase discount. You have understand the difference between sale discount and purchases discount. Okay, number 16 important terms and concept of accounting is debtor or account receivable. Look at the definition. Debtor are the person or customer to whom goods has been sold on credit basis is called debtor or account receivable. I will explain. The person to whom you have sold goods on credit basis, he is your debtor or account receivable. Look at the example. Here is the Mr. A, here is the Mr. B. Mr. A sold good rupees 5,000 on credit basis to Mr. B. Mr. B is the debtor of Mr. A. Mr. B is the debtor of Mr. A. It means Mr. A will receive payment from Mr. B in future, and Mr. B is the debtor of Mr. A, or Mr. B is account receivable of Mr. A. Understand, again I have explained this. Debtor are the person or customer to whom goods has been sold on credit basis is called debtor or account receivable. In this case, Mr. B is the debtor of Mr. A because Mr. A sold goods to Mr. B on credit basis and Mr. A will receive payment from Mr. B in future. Hopefully you have understand the concept of debtor or account receivable. Okay, number 17 important terms and concept of accounting is creditor or account payable. First of all, you look the definition. Creditor are the person or supplier from whom goods have been purchased on credit basis is called creditor or account payable. Before understand, you look at the example. Example, Mr. A, Mr. B. Mr. B purchased good rupees 5,000 from Mr. A on credit. In this case, Mr. B purchased goods from Mr. A rupees 5,000 on credit basis. Mr. A is creditor of Mr. B. Mr. A is creditor of Mr. B because Mr. B will pay the credit sale amount rupees 5,000 to Mr. A in future. Again, look at the definition. Creditor are the person or supplier from whom goods have been purchased on credit basis. It means Mr. B purchased goods from Mr. A on credit basis rupees 5,000 and Mr. B will make the payment to Mr. A in future. So Mr. A is creditor or account payable of Mr. B. Hopefully you have understand this important concept of accounting. Okay. Number 18 important term and concept of accounting is cash discount. You must be carefully understand this concept. Any deduction or concession given by a creditor to debtor if payment is made before due date. First of all, you look the example, then you will understand this definition. Mr. A sold good rupees 1,000 to Mr. B on credit on 1st January 2023 and payment due date is 1st June 2023. Look at these two dates. Mr. A sold goods to Mr. B on credit basis, but Mr. B will make the payment after 6 months. The difference between 1st January 2023 and the payment due date is 1st June 2023 is 6 months. Okay. It means Mr. B will make the payment rupees 1,000 to Mr. A after 6 months. But 2% discount given by Mr. A to Mr. B. It means 2% discount given by Mr. A to Mr. B if the payment is made on 1st March 2023. This is a very important point. The payment due date is 1st June 2023. But Mr. A asked to Mr. B, if you make the payment to me on 1st March 2023, it means if you make the payment before 3 months, I will give you the 2% discount. This is called the cash discount. Again, I have explained the definition, then you will understand this. Any deduction or concession given by creditor to debtor if payment is made before due date. In this case, due date of payment is 1st June 2023. It means 6 months after Mr. B will make the payment to Mr. A, but Mr. A gave 2% discount to Mr. B if he make the payment on 1st March 2023. It means if he make the payment before 3 months, he will give the 2% discount to Mr. B. It means this is called the cash discount. Hopefully you have understand. This is a very technical point. Okay, it will be used in future when you will make the journal, ledger, trial balance. Okay, number 9 important terms and concept of accounting is capital or owner equity. This is a simple. It is a source of fund provided by owner to business is called capital or owner equity. In my previous video, I have discussed with you the business entity concept. Business entity concept is business is separate from its owner. So, capital or owner equity means any source provided by owner to its business is called capital or owner equity. In short, any investment of owner in business we will call it will be capital or owner equity. Example, Mr. Ali started business with rupees 100,000. Mr. Ali start his business with rupees 100,000. It means this 100,000 is the capital or owner equity of Mr. A in business. Hopefully you have understand this important terms and concept of accounting. Okay, let we discuss the number 20 important term of accounting is accounting period. It is a time period for which business prepare its financial statements. It means very simple point. It is a time period for which business prepare its financial statements. How much time business required to prepare its financial statements? Maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year. Mostly business find his profit or loss after 1 year. This 1 year time period, suppose 1st January 2023 to 31st December 2023, this is the 1 year. Okay, this time period 1st January 2023 to 31st December 2023, this time period is 1 year. This time period we will call accounting period. Hopefully you have understand. Last and important terms of accounting is net income or net profit. This is a very simple point. Net income or net profit, how you find? Revenue minus expenses. How much you have income or revenue less how much you have expenses. The difference is your net profit or net income. Okay, hopefully you have understand these all important terms and concept of accounting. Hopefully you like my this video. If you want, I will make the new video for you which will be very important. So I request to you kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and share my video on your social media. Thank you so much. Goodbye.